In the heart of Victorian England, a group of young artists sought to challenge the status quo, to breathe new life into the stale world of art. This was the birth of the Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood, a revolutionary force that would shake the foundations of the art world. In the year 1848, in the bustling city of London, three ambitious artists, John Everett Millais, Dante Gabriel Rossetti, and William Holman Hunt, founded this avant-garde group, dissatisfied with the lifeless, academic art that dominated the era. The Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood was a response to the norms of the Royal Academy, which favored a style of art that followed the works of Raphael and the Italian masters. The Pre-Raphaelites, however, looked to the medieval and early Renaissance periods for inspiration, seeking to capture the purity, emotion, and detail of those eras in their work. Their first major work, The Eve of St. Agnes, by Rossetti, was a bold departure from the traditional art of the time. It was a vivid portrayal of a young woman's dreams, filled with rich colors and intricate detail, a stark contrast to the cold, lifeless works of the Royal Academy. However, their revolutionary approach did not come without controversy. The Pre-Raphaelites were criticized for their use of intense colors, their focus on detail, and their depiction of everyday life. Critics were particularly offended by their use of realistic, ordinary women as models, a stark departure from the idealized, ethereal figures of the time. But the Pre-Raphaelites were undeterred. They continued to push boundaries, creating works that were both beautiful and thought-provoking. Their art was a reflection of the changing times, a testament to the desire for change and innovation. The Pre-Raphaelite Brotherhood's impact on the art world was profound. They paved the way for the modern art movement, inspiring a new generation of artists to challenge the norms and push the boundaries of what art could be. Today, the Pre-Raphaelites are remembered not just for their revolutionary art, but for their unwavering commitment to their vision. They stood against the tide, challenging the status quo and inspiring a new era in art. Their legacy continues to inspire artists today, a testament to their enduring impact on the world of art.